Hi everyone! In this video, you are going to learn how to remove stickers from your iPhone. To do this, 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone and open any conversation. 2. Tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner and select Stickers. You will now see a list of all the stickers you have on your iPhone. 3. Go to the Sticker tab by tapping the sticker icon at the top to see your full list. 2. Delete stickers. 1. Individual stickers. Long press on any sticker and tap Delete. 2. Multiple stickers. Long press on any sticker and tap the option that says Rearrange. Tap the minus symbol on each sticker to remove multiple stickers at once. That's it! I hope you find this guide helpful.